Welcome back. NCP spokesperson Trujano de Mello has termed the pay parking system at EDC complex as scam and an illegal practice. Trujano alleged that process of allotting tender for pay parking was totally flawed as no advertisements were published and it was awarded to only one bidder. Trujano has filed an RTI on the pay parking issue.
You know that we have taken this issue of the pay parking at EDC complex. Now, I have made certain inquiries under RTI, and now it is very clear that the process of allotting the pay parking tender is a scam, and by the admission of the EDC through my RTI query, it is also illegal. Because I asked a specific question as to under which law the corporation has authorized the tenderer to lock, cramp lock, to tow and to penalize vehicles. And the answer is that there is no law in the corporation.
18 European Film Festival will be celebrated in Goa from 19 to 30th April. This year's theme is Celebrating Women. The 13-day film festival will showcase 24 films related to women. The film will be pictured at Martinez Palace and the entry is free.
Along with the line of cinema, there are other things like the cultures are getting shared, the way of life and presentation of films is getting shared through all these particular films which will be screened during this 13-day long event. The entry is free and there are no charges for any particular thing, but it is only open for people 18 and above.
Goan basketball is yet to breathe free after around 2 decades of maladministration. The State Basketball Association is as good as being defunct and the sport has taken a tremendous beating. Former basketball player and now Porvorim MLA Rohan Khaunte has urged the government to take interest in basketball and clean up the mess in the association.
बास्केटबॉल म्हणटा तो मातसो काळजाक लागिल्लो एक सब्जेक्ट कित्याक आमी जेन्ना खेळटाले तेन्ना जे प्रश्न उबे जाल्ले ते अनफॉर्च्युनेटली इतली वर्सां तेच प्रॉब्लेम आसा. वी हॅड बी ट्रायंग टू पूट पर्सनल इंट्रस्ट इन दीस सो दॅट स्पोर्ट इवॉल्व्स. आज खुबशे प्लेयर बास्केटबॉल तयार जाले, तांकां ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज मेळना, एक्सपोजर मेळना. कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार तो मॅनेजमेंट कमिटी सेम 2002 जेन्ना ऑनरेबल CM आमचो मिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर जेन्ना तेन्ना CM आशिल्लो, ही हॅड मेड अ स्पेशल कमिटी तेन्ना अंडर मिस्टर VM प्रभुदेसाय, तेन्ना नॅशनल्स आशिल्ले ज्युनियर नॅशनल्स, आनी तेन्ना ते ज्युनियर नॅशनल्स जाले. ताज्या मागीर आसा तेच will government investigate कित्याक हे particular issue you all are not taking interest in this sport? Is basketball not a recognized sport? So I expect that the government should come very clear on a policy where basketball is opened up, a new committee being done, at the same time investigated the फाटल्या committee कितें केला, report submit केल्या, कितें केला ते. So we can get a better exposure to our children of today who want to pursue this sport. तातून स्पीकर्स म्हाका याद जाता, म्हज्या एकटो कलीग आशिल्लो संदीप वल्लीकर म्हणून. तो तेन्नाच्यान बास्केटबॉल खेळटा, आतां अजून पर्यंत खेळटा, पूण खेळटा आसतना ही इज द ओनली फेलो हू गॉट MSc इन दी स्पोर्ट्स. पटियाला वचून ताणें ते गोल्ड मेडल घेतलो. ही इज द ओनली गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट. तो हाजी आज स्थिती कितें? ही इज अ SAG कोच. म्हाका दिसता दिस टायप ऑफ पीपल हू हॅव गॉट सम एक्सपर्टीज शूड बी गिवन अ एलिवेशन इन द डिपार्टमेंट एंड दे आर एक्सपर्टीज. ते गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारांकूच घेवन आमी समज फुडें सरना जाल्यार कोणाक घेवन सरतले? So government हाजेर एक योजूचें की how we can place this type of people who are our Goans in a proper platform where we can get exposure to this type of sports.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. You can also meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.